Hello guys, I'm here at the Parkland Bohol Resort and Spa. So, dito tayo guys sa seaside. Ito yung napakagandang sleep here. So, look at the view. So relaxing guys. Together with my colleagues in Bohol Island State University, Calapi Campus, we are celebrating our year-end assessment and also a Christmas party together with CNA and with Dad Talks and also the mental health activities. Yan guys, napakaganda. Yung kasama, magagandang kasama ko guys. Here, napakaganda ito guys. Hi!
Hi! Say hi!
Say hi!
Good morning! Sir Paul! Tagak sa cellphone na rin.
Pupunta tayo guys doon.
Sige.